Hi, and welcome to Cheekyricho's Mango Misu. Here we will be combining Savoiardi biscuits with fresh passion fruit pulp, fresh mangoes, homemade passion fruit butter and whipped cream into a luscious summer dessert. The ingredients will be in the recipe box below. Now let's get started.
Amanda said, well, why didn't you tell us about these eruptions before?
We're going to lay 3 of our Savoiardi biscuits into the bottom of a shallow plate and drizzle some of our passion fruit pulp over the top, about half of it. Just them a little turn over and make sure they're completely covered in the passion fruit pulp. Let's leave those for a few minutes while you prepare the mango and slice it. Okay. Now we're just going to remove those Savoiardi biscuits, set them on a plate, put the remaining 3 in and cover it with the rest of the passion fruit pulp. A little toss around, make sure it's well covered. Sit them back in on top if you like. Keep them all together. Taste of cream and a little taste of the passion fruit. We get a pretty bowl and we put our broken biscuits in like so. And we put a dollop of our passion fruit cream and a layer of our fresh mango. Let's press it down. Make sure that some of the some of the mango gets around the outside of the glass. Put another biscuit in. More mango. More passion fruit cream. Just press it down. And more slices of mango. And that's it. Do the same with the next one. We put a biscuit in the bottom. A couple of slices of our mango and our cream. More mango. More biscuit. Just press it down as you go. More mango. And more cream. Layer that on there, just so you have a little blob to put on top of each other one just for decoration. So that's probably enough, about a dessert spoon. Then we layer some more mango. Whoa, gets away on you. A bit more for you, and a bit more for you. And that is very close to being done. Put a dollop on top. Couple of our passion fruit seeds over the top of that. And our passion fruit pulp. How easy is that? And there you have it. Light, easy, incredibly fast, very impressive looking. The mango is the star of the show. Mango Misu. I hope you enjoyed this little video demonstration of my mango Misu. If you'd like to see any more interesting recipes or ideas, please check out my Cheekyricho channel. And don't forget to leave me a comment and a subscribe. Do come back and visit us again soon. We have so much more to show you. And thank you for all of your support and your feedback. Thank you for watching and have a lovely day.